so tonight's dinner, Graham just took his plate away. Tonight's dinner for HelloFresh is countryside chicken legs with green beans, almondine, and then chive mashed potatoes. Graham got the biggest piece of chicken, which he's going to share with me. I'm not a huge green bean fan, but I will eat it, but he did give me more potatoes. So let's try it and see how it tastes. Okay, you guys, so I just got done eating. The chicken was okay. I barely got any meat on it. The green beans, I've been mixing them with the potatoes. Otherwise, I thought it was a pretty good meal. Would I get this again? Maybe, only if they gave us a decent sized chicken. I mean, that looks so decent right there. And I got just a tiny little thing. Graham got a big one, but it was kind of weird. What do you think, Graham?
So the potatoes were awesome. I ran them through a potato ricer, and it turned out really good. With the chives, a lot of flavor in the green beans. The chicken we cooked it perfectly.
Yeah.
It was still juicy. Give it a solid B. Sauce was a little strong. Had a strong mustard taste. I wish that was a little bit lighter. But otherwise, good meal.
Would you eat it again?
Yes.
Okay. So on to the next meal. Okay, guys, so the next meal we are trying is the chicken katsu with roasted green beans and ginger rice. Looks like a pretty good, decent meal. Husband's all about perfection when we put it on the plate. This is something different for me, so I'm excited to try it. And let's go see what it tastes like. Okay, you guys, so I have taken several bites, and I actually enjoyed this meal. I am not a plain rice person, but this actually tastes fine. I just have a little bit of everything. I've been really liking green beans, and I realized I hated green beans growing up as a kid because I had the canned green beans, but these taste a lot better. I really enjoyed this meal. Graham, you can obviously, his is gone. He hoovered his meal. But this is the chicken katsu. Graham, what would you rate this?
A solid A. It was the first time making it, but I've had it at restaurants before, and I think it turns out just as good as a restaurant.
I really liked the breadcrumbs chicken. That's something we rarely ever have, is the chicken with breadcrumbs on it, which I really liked it. So I enjoyed this meal. I'd give this meal, and I don't know what I would give this meal, but I would eat this again. So on to the next meal. Okay, you guys, so the last meal of the HelloFresh box is going to be the Hall of Fame teriyaki pork luau bowls with kiwi salsa and lima green. I don't know if there's any kiwi in here. I think nope, we didn't put any kiwi in here. But this is the husband's bowl because he likes this kind of a bowl. I don't really care, but he just gave me this bowl. So let's try it. It's something totally different, and I'm ready to try new things. So let's eat. Okay, you guys, so I actually really enjoyed this meal. I'm not a big, like, vegetable type of person, so Graham kind of cut back a lot of it, but otherwise the pork and, like, the sauce, and I loved it. I liked it. I'd eat this again if he made it exactly the same way. Graham hoovered his meal. What do you think?
It was phenomenal. I rarely give out an A+, but I think it's an A+.
That's why it is the Hall of Fame. So this is, if you guys enjoyed, you know, seeing meals like this, you guys can actually get your own box with my code. You can get $40 off and get your own box for like $19.94 just by using my code. I say just try it and then cancel it if you guys just want to do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next HelloFresh box.